Okay, so I got my order from Parts Avatar. I got 2 rear chocks for my Oldsmobile. Comes in this box. The shipping is always fast, quite fast on this website. Let me open this up. Right. Here they are. Nice. See, nice quality, top quality. I got 2 of these. One right there. So that's gonna go on my old Oldsmobile Cutlass. Really great Canadian company, and you can pay with the app with Sezzle. You can pay in 4 payments, so it's quite nice. It doesn't break the bank, so I'm really satisfied. So thanks Parts Avatar. I recommend this site. It's great. All right.